Question 1. Simplify 15 times 2m. We multiply the numbers normally and we'll list the letters beside each other. So 15 times 2 is 30 and we just list the m after that. So final answer 30m. Question 2. If x equals minus 2, find the value of 3x minus 4. We will substitute each letter with its number or value, and then we'll calculate the overall value of the expression. So instead of 3 lots of x, we'll have 3 lots of minus 2 because we're told at the beginning of the question that x equals minus 2. And then we'll have the minus 4 after that. So 3 lots of minus 2 makes minus 6, minus another 4 carefully on the number line, gives us a final answer of minus 10. Question 3. Simplify minus 3m times 2mn. We'll multiply the numbers normally and we'll list the letters beside each other. And we'll carefully watch out for when a letter multiplies by another letter of the same type, such as in a times a, making a squared. So minus 3 times 2 makes minus 6 for the numbers. Then we get an m times an m, which makes an m squared. And then another n is just listed after that. So final answer, minus 6m squared n. Question 4. Simplify 12x over 4. We'll divide the numbers normally, including cancelling down letters where possible. Now cancelling down, we cancel down by finding a number and or a letter to divide into the top and into the bottom of the fraction. So 4 goes into the bottom once and into the 12 3 times. So on the top we get 3x and on the bottom we have a 1, which doesn't need to be written in this case. So final answer 3x. Question 5. Simplify by collecting like terms 4a plus b plus 3a plus b. You can only add and subtract like terms. Like terms in algebra are any terms with the same letter and power. You'll notice we have the same letter and power in 2 pairs here. We have a 4a and a 3a, and a b and a b that can be joined. So 4a plus 3a makes 7a, and a b plus a b, or a 1b plus a 1b, makes 2b in total, for a final answer of 7a plus 2b. Question 6. Simplify 6mn times minus 3n. We'll multiply the numbers normally and we'll list the letters beside each other. And we'll watch out for a times a equals a squared, or anything times itself making a squared. 6 times minus 3 makes minus 18. The m can be listed next because there's only one of them. And then we have an n times an n, which makes an n squared. So a final answer of minus 18 m n squared. Question 7. Simplify 5mn over 15n. We'll divide numbers normally, and we'll cancel down letters where possible. Cancelling down, we cancel down by finding a number and or a letter to divide into the top and into the bottom of the fraction. So 5 goes into the top once and into the 15 3 times, and there's an n that can divide into the top and into the bottom. They go once each. So that leaves us with an m on the top and a 3 on the bottom, leaving us a final answer of m over 3. Question 8. Simplify by first writing in fraction form 10 divided by 2cd. So we'll write any divisions in fraction form. So 10 divided by 2cd is a 10 over 2cd. When we divide by a term, it's like it's underneath in fraction form. We'll then divide the numbers normally. 2 goes into the bottom once and into the 10 5 times, leaving us with a 5 on the top and a 1 CD on the bottom. We don't have to write the 1 in, so we'll just write the CD down the bottom. Final answer, 5 over CD. Question 9. Simplify 6x minus 4y plus 3y minus x. You can only add and subtract like terms. Like terms in algebra are any terms with the same letter and power. We have two pairs of like terms here. We have a 6x and a minus x, and we also have a minus 4y and a plus 3y. So 6x minus x, or 6x minus 1x, leaves us with 5x, so they can be joined. And then minus 4y plus 3y, if we do that carefully on the number line or our calculator, we'll end up with minus y, or minus 1y. So our final answer when we've combined those pairs, 5x minus y. Question 10. Expand 5 outside of x plus 4. When we expand an expression, we multiply the front term by each term inside the brackets. We'll multiply the front term by the first term, get an answer, then multiply the front term by the second term and get an answer for that, and keep those answers separate. So 5 lots of x makes 5x. We can just write them beside each other. And then 5 lots of 4 makes 20. So our final answer there is 5x plus 20.